Oscar winner George Clooney has joined the chorus of artists calling for change as actors hit the picket lines in their first strike against film and television studios since 1980. "This is an inflection point in our industry," Clooney told CNN in a statement on Friday. "Actors and writers in large numbers have lost their ability to make a living. For our industry to survive, that has to change. For actors, that journey starts now." Clooney's comments come as members of the Screen Actors Guild, American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, SAG-AFTRA, picked up signs to demonstrate outside film and television studios on both coasts Friday, joining entertainment writers who have been doing just that for over 2 months. The SAG-AFTRA strike was officially announced on Thursday. Ted Lasso star and Emmy nominee Jason Sudeikis was spotted in New York, where he told CNN to listen to the voices of strikers chanting things like, "Hey hey, ho ho, corporate greed's got to go," and "What do we want? Contracts. When do we want 'em? Now." "That says it all," he remarked.